cleared up. Storm of the 15th. Whiteout conditions on the roads, lots of road closures yesterday. I don't know how much we had, probably another 4 or 5 inches of snow, I guess. Probably what's on the trailer is how deep the snow is out in the garden. They're still clearing topsoil out the back. My vegetable garden's buried. There, you can drive in and out again now. I think we've had as much snow in 2 snowfalls as we had all last winter. So this is a normal Canadian winter. We've been getting light winters for the last 10 years probably, with the odd bad one in the middle. I think we've got more snow to come yet. Another storm this weekend. This is Friday the 16th. So anyway, dug out for another day. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.